Welcome to No Agenda. We are trying another Shiv Kumar Patalvi poem today. This is Kabran Udik Diyan. The translation is all mine, so if there are any mistakes or errors in the translation, I apologize in advance. He says, Sikhar dopair sirte mera tal chalya parchama. The sun is overhead, my day is beginning to end. So this is the recognition that once the sun reaches its highest point in the sky, or a life reaches its highest point, there really is nothing else to do, nowhere else to go but come down. And once you accept that fact, it possibly isn't such a sad thing. So, sikhar dopair sirte mera tal chalya parchama kabran udik diyan mainu ju putra nu mawa. The graves are waiting for me like mothers for their sons. So it's almost like a coming back home idea. Zindagi da thal tapda kalle rukh di hond vich meri dukhan wali gehar chadi wage gama wali tez haneri. My existence is that of a lonely tree in the burning sands where pain falls like a dark rain and sorrow swells up in a storm. मैं भी केहा रुख चंद्रा जिनु खागियां ओदियां छावा. What kind of a tree am I that is being eaten by its own shadows? Kabran udik diyan. The graves are waiting. हिजरां च सड़दे ने. हिजरां च सड़दे ने सुखे रोट ते सुखियां चोरियां. उमरां तां मुक चलियां. उमरां तां मुक चलियां मुकियां ना मत्थे दियां दूरियां. In our separation, even my breaths have run dry. Our lives are coming to a close, but there is no closing the gap that is written in our fates. Mathe diyan duriyan. Raj raj jhoot bolya. Raj raj jhoot bolya mere naal chandriya kaama kabran udik diyan. I have been lied to, so I think this is the part which kids in the West would not understand. So I know my own kids don't understand that. In the West, a crow is a bad omen. It brings bad news. But in Punjab, a crow is a messenger that tells you that a guest is coming. Again, a guest in the West may not be such a good thing, but back home, we are happy to have people over, so we are happy when a guest comes. And especially if it's someone that you have been waiting for. So what he's saying is that every time the crow sat on my windowsill, I assumed that it meant that this was a message of my guest coming, and yet because the person never showed up, I now conclude that this gap, as he said in the line earlier, there is no closing the gap that is written in our fates, which means that this crow has been lying to me all this time. So, Raj Raj Chhoot Bolya, mere naal chandriya kaama, I have been lied to a lot by this stupid crow. Kabran udik diyan san mainu ju putra nu mama. So this last part is possibly my favorite out of the whole poem. So he says, Loka mere geet sun laye, मेरा दुख तक किसे भी न जाने. लखा मेरा सीस चुम गए. लखा मेरा सीस चुम गए पर मुखड़ा ने किसे पछाने. So people have heard my songs, yet they have not understood my pain. Many have kissed my forehead, and yet they don't recognize my real face. How is that? So I suppose in a way सानू सारियां नू खोता आख रहा शिव कुमार बटालवी. कह रहा तुसी सुन लैंदे हो, तुसी वावा भी कर दिंदे हो, पर तुहानू समझ कुछ नहीं आती. It's okay, असीं enjoy कर रहे हैं, नहीं आती सच. Anyways, on a serious note, another way to interpret those lines, and I think which is relevant to kids these days, is because kids are on Facebook, they're on Instagram, they have all these friends on social media, all these people who like your posts, all these comments that you get, and yet we see that in spite of all this interaction, we know that we have rising cases of mental health issues, anxiety, depression, and in general, kids feeling lonely, kids feeling misunderstood, which is possibly what I think Shivkumar Batalvi is referring to, because he was famous in his lifetime. He was surrounded by people who were liking his creations, his poems, and praising him, and yet he is explaining this experience of feeling misunderstood or feeling not understood. So that's the problem that he set up in the first two lines. But the reason that I said I like this part is because he's also giving the solution to that in the next line. So he says, yeah, so मेरा दुख तो किसे भी ना जानिया, मेरा मुखड़ा किसे ना पछानिया. So it doesn't make sense to him that there are all these people and yet none of them understand him. So the solution is, he says, हुन ऐसे मुखड़े तो मैं अपना मैं आप छुपावा. So now I use this very face to hide my real face. Alright. Which I hope my kids would recognize that, and all of our kids would learn that you don't असा मंगते नहीं बन जाना बेटे कि हाय कोई मैनू समझ लो, कोई मैनू समझ लो, कोई मैनू पसंद कर लो. No, we've got to spend time understanding ourselves, and once we understand ourselves, that need for a recognition from others, that need for someone else to understand me, for someone else to like me, for someone else to approve of me, will go away. The more you understand yourself, the more you approve of yourself. Because in the end, सिर्फ बटालवी दियां नहीं, साडियां भी सारियां दियां कब्रां उड़ीकदियां. None of us have time to waste about what others don't understand about us or what others don't approve about us. So that, I think, is the moral of the story here. So let's try to say the whole poem in one go. Okay. ਸਿਖਰ ਦੁਪਹਿਰ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਟਲ ਚਲਿਆ ਪਰਛਾਵਾਂ, ਕਬਰਾਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿਉਂ ਪੁੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਵਾਂ. ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਥਲ ਤਪਦਾ ਕੱਲੇ ਰੁੱਖ ਦੀ ਹੋਂਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੀ, ਦੁੱਖਾਂ ਵਾਲੀ ਗਹਿਰ ਝੜੀ ਵਗੇ ਗਮਾਂ ਵਾਲੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਹਨੇਰੀ. मैं भी केहा रुख चंदरा जिहड़ू खा गईयां ओदियां छावां, कबरां उड़ीकदियां मैनू जो पुत्तरां नू मावां. हिजरां च सड़दे ने, हिजरां च सड़दे ने सुखे रोट ते सुखियां चूरियां. उमरां तां मुक चलियां, उमरां तां मुक चलियां, पर मुकियां ना मत्थे दियां दूरियां. रज रज झूठ बोलिया, रज रज झूठ बोलिया, मेरे नाल चंदरिया कावां. कबरां उड़ीकदियां मैनू जिउं पुत्तरां नू मां. लोकां मेरे गीत सुन लए, मेरा दुख तां किसे भी ना जाने. लोकां मेरा गीत सुन लए, मेरा दुख तां किसे भी ना जानिया. लखां मेरा सीस चुम गए, लखां मेरा सीस चुम गए, मुखड़ा ना किसे पछाणिया. हुण इसे मुखड़े तो, हुण इसे मुखड़े तो मैं अपना मैं आप छुपावां. कबरां उड़ीकदियां मैनू जो पुत्तरां नू मावां. सिखर दुपहर सिर ते मेरा टल चलिया परछावां. Thank you for watching.